Alright, video time again. We're doing another math lesson, so I hope you ain't sick of math yet. But there's a conversion you can do to calibrate your machine with water, whether it's your sprayer or in this instance, you see I'm dribbling water out the back right now because water's a lot less messy to waste than fertilizer. You don't want to be wasting that anyway. So I'm going to show you how you can calibrate with water and get it dialed in with water to put on exactly what you want with whatever liquid fertilizer you need or are wanting to use. So right off the bat, whatever fertilizer you got to figure out what it weighs a gallon. And the stuff I want to use weighs 11.5 pounds a gallon. And so you take that number, 11.5, and you divide it by the weight of water, which is what we're running through right now, 8.34 pounds a gallon for water. And you come up with the specific gravity. They call that the specific gravity. So my fertilizer weighs 1.3789889 times more than the water. That's the specific gravity. Now you take that specific gravity and you figure the square root of it. So you're going to need a calculator unless you want to do the long math, but the square root of that number is 1.174. That's called your conversion factor. So if I want to put on 28 ounces of fertilizer per minute out of each one of these rows, I take that number times 1.174, our conversion factor, and we get 32.76 ounces of water that I need to be able to catch every minute. If I do that, then I don't even have to calibrate and make a mess with the fertilizer. I just put it in and go. So that's how you figure that. That'll work if you're like 28, I think weighs like what, 10 something, 1006 or some darn thing, I don't remember. So you would just take, let's just assume it's 1006. You take 1006 divided by 8.34 and do the same math. So that's a quick one, easy one. So that's what I usually do, so I don't have to have all these buckets strewn out underneath each one collecting fertilizer and then dump it back in the tank. So alright, still a little muddy here to plant, but we're almost ready. So later.